Sorry guys, for that why the connection was lost. That's why my stream was end. Sorry for this. I'll reconnecting the studio. You wanna see this? Clearly view this stream, guys. The network was lost, so that's why I am got on the stream. You watch this stream, guys? What the falling will be start on the NYC session. Gold is too high. You can see this how the fucking selling. What the selling actually here in the NYC sessions. I think I remove this because that's not valid right now. So that is the last support area. Okay, that's the last support area for the gold. Okay, everyone hearing my voice, guys? Everyone watching this? Okay, let's talking about this. So our price will come on these areas and give me some opportunities. Then I should be thinking for some buying entries on there. Either I don't buy here because the market structure will be shift right now. Part the selling will be done. We can see this. That's the price selling for the psychological number. That's a good indication. So price will not respected this area. Price will be formed from there. So I'll be accepted. Okay. So that's the reversal area right now. But it's okay for that. Price was continuously closing above this area, so that's a liquidation. Okay, nothing else. That's the liquidity. What happened price on this level? You can understand first. Okay, that's the time. That is the liquidity of the market. That's the buyer's liquidity. Buyer's liquidity. Buyer's liquidity. What the fucking? Why the lagging issues, guys? Wow, price will tap this area. Just see this. What's price react on this? What the falling, guys? What the manipulations? Price is now the support area. Okay, let's see what's price happened. It's heavily close above this area. It's not a big problem. That's the 50-minute buying A plus area. Let's see this what's happened on this. There be any kind of buying candle price was created, so I will be go for the buying side entries. Okay, let's see this. That's the liquidity zone. That's why price was falling. That is the pure refining areas. That's a create a good looking candle. So I have some bricks on this here. Ooh, what the candle will print? What the candle will print? That's a 45 pips candle. How should I go? Good. Let's see what's up. That's a refining candle. How I should we go for these areas? I want the price of some pullbacks. That's a good buying pressure will be here. Ooh. Oh, gold. Don't go this. Fucking hell. Don't do this. That's a manipulate the gold. That's my entry zone. Please pullbacks. And the gold is now very dangerous, guys. You can see this. You can see this how the gold rate, the zone. The gold rate on this. Gold is not for everyone. I said the manipulation for you guys all. Who is entry? What the bias, guys? You can see this how the gold exit the bias. Who will entry from this the 40 pips risk takings? I'm not entry on this level. But how the gold manipulate, you can see this. I don't entry on this. I just see the market. That time gold closing, I got buying candle. So I should breaks on this area 20 pips. But that's the red candle, okay? And it's target for two big at this time. I'm going for the two. That's my target for that time. 150 pips for this reversals. Gold is now the good points. So price will create a good candle on this. So I will be buying here, okay? And price was heavily closing on this support. Uh, and market structure will be change. So that's the liquidity now, clear liquidity. So its potential is the more falling on these areas. I'm not sure. Let's check in this market first. That's my buying entries. Let's see what's the manipulations. That's the 14 pips candle print, and the my market will fall from there more. Whose bias was at entry on this, so that's the 90 pips price will fall. Fuck you, gold. So gold is telling the new bias is the fuck you everyone. That gold is down 90 pips from these entry areas. That's the extraordinary market in the gold 2026 in NYC Sessions. That's the beast, guys. That's is now beast. That's a good candle. So I am thinking about some risking here. Just 25 pips risk I will here. Because you can see this finance now the good level. So I'm going through the 25 pips six. I have some entries over the no, I am not entries. Patience is the main key. Let's see what's happened on price too. Price will come on. Price is closing above this area. First choice is the most important. So that's my confirmations. So let's see. The stock price was goes from the good areas right now. Price is the going from the good areas. That's a very good area. Ha 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 ha. Fuck you, gold. That's a good buying area. Just wait for that. The confirmation is the most important right now. Okay. Confirmation is the most important. Confirmation is the most important first. Then you should be go for the gold. Gold is not so very bullish right now. But you can see this 15 minutes is the very heavily down. So that's the 15-minute order block. That's the 15-minute order block. That's the price action told. So I will entry on this highest. Let's click this candle first. Then I should be go for the buying opportunity. Because why? Because the market is now up to crazy falling right now. So I'm not interested for the bullshits. You can see this. That's the support price. Market was reacting in the support area, and that's the order block zone. And that is the first market structure shift. So I see this. What's happened? That's my buying entries. That's the reversal area. That's the things right now that the market will be reversed from the these areas or the my target is that easily get the 150 pip target. That's the reverse the price and that's the good indication candle will price print. So let's see what's happened price two on this level. Okay, that's the support buying area and create a good engulfing candles. So I am risks here, but that's my risk more than 40 pips. So why 40 pips risks on this taking? That's the support. Get more confirmation, so then I would be 25 pips risk, either 30 pips risk. But you can risk like this, so that your reversal areas. You can risk the 60 pips more than, and if you go for the this leg. But that's the unrealistic right now because the market structure will be shift here. You can see this liquidation will be okay. Liquidation will be okay, but you can see this the market structure will be shift here. The market will be very bullish. You can see this. Sorry. Uh, okay. Why this good candle will print actually? But I am entry on this. A small entry like this 0.2, 0.1, you should be go for the small entries on this. But your main entry is like the first choice on these areas. First choice on this, and you can target the 100 piece with the 25 piece risk. That's the 1 is to 4 you can get on these areas. So that's two entries will be here, but choice is yours. How many risks? That is the big risks and big targets. You can go for that. And that is the small risk and small target for that. That is the 1 is to 4 and that is the also 1 is to 5. You can see the same things. That's the target will be risk management is more important. And you can see this. That's the small target and small risk will be give you 1 is to 4. And that's the big risk and the big target will be show you 1 is to 5. 1 is to 5 is to 5. So you understand the how the market will be behavior. That's not the gambling, guys. That's the real structure. Market structure read first and trade like a king, not like a fool, not like a retail. I'm not retail trader, bro. I have more losses in the 24, 25, 26 is my comeback season. And I'm told you guys that the new starting one challenge. I'll definitely start in this from the next Monday. I will start the challenge. The $100 flip into the $1,000 first target is my the 20, 2026. That is my first commitment and first target and first goal. The $100 flip into the $1,000 with your space, with your my community, and every fucking trade I single trade share with you. Don't I trade any single boring trade. That's I have thinking about one playlist for the these things. Every big influencer, big traders will be that. So I am thinking about why my strategy is the potential for the giving this $100 flip into the $1,000. So why I am trying not? So I am going for this with my community and also one thing, guys. Next the December, I will show you the $100 I will flip the for 500. Right now, this account, the $100 account, is now flip into the 500, and you can see this. That's the reversal zone. Why I'm telling you that's the reversal area. Okay, you can see this. Just initiate my orders first. That two trade I will definitely give with the small risks. Mm, That's a good candle actually happened. You can see this, and that is my main trade. So I go for these two trades. Okay, I am. everything which told your face. I'm not hiding anything. Just I have entries first. I have entries on that. Price will could move from there. The price will be reverse on these areas. Gold, 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 gold. Small entries. That is my small entries. And first choose one. I definitely am go with the full entries. Okay. You can see this. That's the good indications. Price will be reversed from here. That is that you can take this trade, so you will reach the 60 pips here. And this trade you will give, you will pick, so you will 25 pips risk. And that trade risk is the 300 pips, okay? That is the 300 pips, and you can go for the 1:3 on this trade. So that is the 180 pips target. And you go with the 200 pips also, but that's not the 1:3 is best. You can see this how the buying will be actually come on this areas. That's the reversal, and that's the market structure shift. So price was closing above this candle, so it's the very good. I'm entry on this, and I'm thinking the tricks was I reduced. It's closing above this. Ah, good, good. We'll do this. Good entries. Good gold. Wow. Gold, gold, good. Goodbye. Goodbye. That's the reversal. Come on, gold. Some pullback. Some pullback. Some pullback. At the trade, guys. That's the level actual. You know the strategy. Why I mark and market will reverse from here. You know the strategy. You can see this market structure actually shift, and that's the 15.5 pips buying will become 60 pips buying will become from there. That's fucking not easy, guys. Don't do this in your face. Don't do this, everyone, on like these trades. Not everyone giving you this type of trades. That's the good. I am entry about the 25 pips. It's closing above these areas and create a black candle and I went free and it is go for the buying side. That's my plan for this. You can see this. That's the market structure against it. Please gold, please entries. Give me some entries on there. I want entries. Come on, gold, some pullback for these areas. Come on, come on. There. I'm thinking the price will good moves. So I am reduce my risks for the 25 pips. Okay. And that is a 20 pips, 200 pips TP. So that is my 1:7 trade right now. So definitely I pick, and that is I want. That's the good pullback. Before why? That's the FBG. So I will definitely entry on these areas. Okay, you can see this. Good price will be go from there. So I have more entries initiated here. Okay, so let's go. I will be entries on these levels. I am entries on these levels. Oh, oh. And that is my 100 pips target on this trade. You can see this, that is also giving you the 1:4 trade easily. 1:4 trade easily giving you. That is the easily giving you 1:4 trade. Okay, I will go with this. Come on, gold. So your products here. Come on, come on. We have two entries, and that is now the break even right now. So that is giving the 70 pips. Okay, that is actually risk free trade. Okay, okay, it's not big deal. Risk free trade. Good. That's the APG, that's the odd block. That's the good. That's not a big deal. I have in profits right now. Just I have entries on this. I have entries on this. Managed is that is called the management trades. This called the trade is the managing. I am in profits. Price was closing above this zone, so I definitely exited from this trade. But because price will give me the 70 pips right now, okay? Price is now break even. The re-entries level is called also. That is the re-entry level also called. You can see this. So who was not entry, so he will entry again on this area. So this trade actually gone. I'm going this trade also gone. Okay. 25 pips. I will take this. That will be failed. I don't overcome for market will trap the buyers. Okay. Systematically I buy on these areas and market structure will be shift here. So I'll be increase on these areas. Okay. It's closing on this level. I exited. It's not gone. Yes, it's gone. So price. So you can see this guy on this trade and on this trade. This trade will fail. So that is a 25 pips. And I'm going with this trade. So it will give you even 70 pips. So it will be risk-free trade. I'm told you. That's a risk-free trade. That's a risk-free trade. Why I'm losing this trade? No, that's my reduce my stop loss. Okay. Hmm. Okay, no problem, no problem. Just find another entries on this for the sell side. This supporters break. Okay, I'm told you. That's my original risk. Okay. So this is the not respected by the market. So market definitely fall from there up to the day low. That is my original trade like this. So it's the 70. So that's my risk split trade. So I reduce the trade like this. So let's see that my trade was gone and that's the buying actually do. So let's see what's happened. Fucking entries on there. Okay, guys. My hold it. It will be fail. It's the fucking me. That's I am detached for my discipline. I'm very happy about it. Will be come on this. I will break this the cost to cost. And that's a reversal. That's why I'm plus told hold the trade. Either it will be fall above this, it will be an exit because I have one entries on there and one entries on there and one entries on there. That's my two entries, you know, guys. That's my very big fucking things I will be happening here. It will be closing, I will be definitely fucked up. As the three position will be open. That's why wherever that's the these entries and that's its entries and I will be entries on this. That is my first entry, that is my second entry, and that's my third entry. It will be close above this area, it will be very big losses and hold this trade and hold this trade. That don't follow the risk management, but that is the reversal zone market structure shift. So that's why I'm going and either it will be fall the investments, it will be fall more. Let's see. Actual entries. Indecent party. No, no, it's not, all gone. It's gone. No, 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 no. It's there. Come on, price. 50 pips is the good risk. I am not. It will be hit the SL. I will accept it. Come on, babe. Come on, gold. Go first. Come on. Come on, baby. Go. Please go here. Come on here. You go from here. Please, 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 please. That's, oh my god. That's called greed, guys. I have three positions open right now. You know how suspense actually do. Let's see. Last trade, let me change this by different price. A reversal will be come from here to huge reversal will be come. And I'm holding the trade for the 200 pips on this area. Either it will be fall. I'm holding that trade. Come on, gold. It's gone, okay? I think it's gone. Why? Because that's a gap where price fill this gap for the NYC Session. That is my big thinking, and that's a large support. Price reverse from here. Either price close here, so I will be go for the short entries up to hold the trade on this the gap. It's very difficult. And you can see this how the price where the price will trade. Gold ऐसा मत खाओ दिया मुझे दिया गाइस बहुत जोर का दिया है बहुत जोर का दिया है आह दिल में लगा यार दिल में लग गया दिल में लग गया दिल में लग गया यार बहुत जोर का दिल में लगा है यार बहुत जोर का दिल में लगा है it's gone 50 pips 25 pips 75 pips is fucking okay everyone so that is the 1:1 so I will find a good sell entries on this time okay so that's what's remove this first I want selling entries so it will be risk free okay finding the selling that's a good candle I'm short the market yo okay guys That's very difficult for me. That's why I'm going with the gaps. That is my last trade of this day. It will be giving because market structure again now the shift. So I'll find the selling entries. So you can see this that are 25 pips and for 55 50 pips I will that is my risk trade. But two that's the 75 pips will I will minus and I tomorrow I morning I will give this trade but you not that is the 150 pips trade 100 pips trades. So I'll now break even right now. But I want a good trade for you. Just hold. I'm going this trade. That's a very what the gold fucking bad guys. Let's see. Wait. Patience is the main thing. That's the market will trapped. Nothing else. It's now the break even. Why you told about the fucking trade? Gold is not very bad. Very bad. Gold is not very bad. It is not break even right now. Why it will? It is not break even. Fucking hold it. Just hold it. I will giving you good trades. I will look about this. Hold it, guys. Next time you can see this the market structure to be very shift right now. And it closing above this zone, so that's my entries. And price was closing above this area. Okay. So market will close above this area like this and retested this zone on this area and I'm finding buying entries. Okay. And but then the market structure again shift to the buying side. Either the market structure shift to the downside and retested this zone, I definitely go for the selling entries. And it I am hold for uh this liquidity zone. You can see this that's a pure liquidity area for the markets. A heavy order will be here. So that's the liquidity for the market and that's the price gap. So NYC Session is right now the selling is the pressure, selling pressure will be showing. So that is the 400 pips shown. So I'll be go for this trade like this. Either it will be it will be closing above this zone. So market will be go for this above this the 4,400 plus. Either it will be fall from here. So I will be let's see what's happened. What's time right now? 7:34. So I will be live for the 8 p.m. And let's see what's happened. Okay, that's two plan. So that is now XP trade. and that is the 70 pips gives. So that's not big losses. That's your risk-free trade. But I have lost. I am not exit the trade. I am told you for you not risking the over. So you will told you that's not big trade. That is the risk-free trade. That will be cost to cost. There will no. I am not exited, so that's my fault. But you have not lost losing on this here. Okay. Live the bar here. So everyone understand what am I telling to you? That's the plan for this right now. Just wait for this the setups. Okay, that's the 25 to 60 directly. And that's the plan. I'm waiting, guys. Just waiting. It's definitely giving this. Don't take tensed. I'll trying to the closing in the profits, not losing on the first trade. I'm right now at 25 to profits. Okay, but this way this trade also the wrong. So I'm thinking some trade for you to the closing in the bullish sides. You can see this. That's a trap. The seller also. The market is not trapping. That's a reversal area. That's the price will do. So market will closing about that is the market structure shift to the downside right now. Okay, and it will be recently reversed. You can see this that will reverse again. How the market manipulate the everyone, but that not the clearly confirmation candle closing above this zone. So I'm thinking the price was closing on this area, so that is my only buying entries, and price will be closed above this area. You can see this about the price of level. So it's is that is that uh very bad very good is the that okay. I'm that the zone is the no trading zone. I'm not trade because I'm trading on this. So that is the market manipulate everyone. So that's my selling area. Okay, I'm very easily told you. And either this zone is not trading zone. That's the zone of I'm told you. What did guys? What did guys? Oh, it's a no trading zone. No. I'm fucking guys. I have now 75 pips loss. You know I have the 9,000 loss from this trade. It will be complicated for me. I am told you that's the no trading zone. It's very careful relation. No trading zone. I'm told you again told you. I'm also not trading. Either market will trap here. Okay? That's the box areas. Up to this to up to this. No trading zone. Market will be here, so I'm not trade. Market break this box. I definitely trade. Okay? I'm here. I'm here. Okay. That's a simple plan, simple prediction, simple things. 70 pips. But that is a risk trade also. Therefore, your risk free and my fault that's my losing trade. So I am thinking some one good entries for the that's type the market will be move. The big move will be come on the NYC session. So that's why I'm waiting for this. I will capture this move. Okay, that's why I'm trying to the trade. And I'm also positive on this trade. I'm not losing. Patiently wait. I'm not hold this trade, the manage this trade like this. That I yeah know the price will fall. But I am reached the 70 pips on this year. But market also trapping me. You can see this. So 1:1 I will giving. It's the good things. So I'm going with this. That's why I like guys. This the recorded things. Again, the market structure will be closing above this one. You can see this one thing. Market not closing with the bullish candle above this candle. This trend line. So that's the things is the understand this. That's not the market. That's the heavy zone. That's the seller and buyers also entries. You can see this why I am just epic pen where the epic pen cards. Okay, you will understand one thing very well. Okay, just I'm trying to told you last time. You can see this. You can see this one thing. That's the market structure shift on these areas. That's the market structure. Sorry. Understand is the most important thing. So that's the market structure shift. So you can see this. That's not price was closing the bullish candle on these areas. Okay, but okay. I'm talking about it. So that's the market structure right now. You understand, guys? Very good. That's the market structure right now. So that is also market structure. And what happened on this here? You can see this. The price was closing in heavily. But what happened? The price will reverse. And that's the market structure again shift here. So, but the buyer and seller, oh, why this pen is problem? But wait a second, bro. Seller, buyer and seller also active on this zone. You'll understand that first. Buyer and seller also both are acting here. The both are acting here. So that's why this type of spikes will be created on this level. And also you can see this, that's the buyers was active here and that's the seller active here. So that's the market will the range, market in now range. So everything in higher time frame you will see that is the market consultations. The higher time frame, but the smaller time frame you will understand very well. You can see that's the institution, but that's the big player will be selling here. But you can see this that the selling is the accepted by the buyers. Okay, so that's the rejection will be created. So market will be closed above this line. Market will close above this line and going with this buying and it closing about this zone. It closing about this zone. So that's the market structure is shift in the market structure shift in the higher time frame. And it is also the choke. Why this rain also being very bad? So that is the choke. That is the market choke. Okay, guys. So market will be reversed from here. You will understand what I am telling to you. That's not the mm, simple thing. That's the some complicated things. I will understanding you that. So market is now behaving like this. Okay. If you understand, this morning I'm trying to understand what the market will do. So I wait for the patient wait. That's the logically trade, guys. I'm not illogical trades. And why I am buying this area? You can see this the big time frame. So you can see this, that's the order block. So market will come and market will same thing here. That will be create a spikes. It's create a spike. Okay, we'll understand that why I am trading on this zone. Either you told me about I'm a gambling. You can see this. Wait a second, guys. That I have fixed my the pain. The bad pain was some issues. Okay, it's now good. Okay, guys. Let's see understand what happened. It is now the understand that. I'm not. That is the accumulation. You told about the accumulation, and I'm going for the distribution. Essentially, ICT price action is the main thing. God in the trading is a price action is a God. So I am told you why I am trading on these areas. This area, this area, the demand zone. Okay, and price was coming and tap this zone. You can see this. That's the spikes. That's the clear spikes. And also you can see this, that's the spikes. The both is that spike. Wow, what time the price will create spikes? The buy, wait, I understand you. The buyers and the sellers, the both are active in same time. That time price was creating this type of candle. That time doji candle, like this candle, like this candle, like that candle, no body candle. There were no body, only the spikes. These the lines. These the lines are the spikes. There were no body. So this you can see this. That's the buyers active. So indication for the market will be push up. And again same thing. The bearish candle was print. So market will and it is the low break on this candle, but not sustain the break. So market will be spike. So the second candle was print. This the green candle. Understand why? What the market like this? That doji candles. So I'll remove this. You can see this. This the market. This the candle low, but market structure will be closing about this. And that's the stop hunt. You can about the stop hunt that you that time I am will be here. So I'll exit from this market trades. So you can see this. That's a stop hunt. The market will be closing about this zone, but the market was not. The price was not sustained at this price. Okay. So second candle, so that's time the buyers was active. So that's the indication for the buyers is active. Okay. So second candle print like this. So that's the second candle. That's the second candle is bullish. Understand? And this candle was creating that will be closing for the how many times 10 minutes will be remaining, but it will be also created because that's the bullish candle closing, so that's the also spiking here. So third candle also the bullish right now, its potential, it closing above this zone, this candle. So it's the third candle will be print for the bullish, the potential. The third candle print the bullish, the fourth candle print the bullish. So it's the potential for the fourth candle print the bullish because that's the FBG zone. That's the heavy FBG. And you know the price always fill the FBG. So that's the price will be like the concentration. So not trade above this zone. Otherwise, you will trade on this zone. You will be trapped by markets. Understand, guys? What can I tell into you? Understand, everyone? Who was this stream? I don't know. Anyone, any information about this channel? So you will like and subscribe this. And that's the pin bar candle will be pinned on the buying entries, buying and demand zone. So it closing out. You can see this. Just like one thing. The price not closing in the smaller time frame above this zone. So that's why I am telling you the bullish candle print it's okay. But you can see this that the market structure not shift here right now. It will be same thing. How the market will be fall from here? Why? Why? That's the reason for the buyers and seller will be active the same areas. That's the spiking here. That's the buyers will be pressurize the market from the buying to the upside. You can go with line chart. The buyer will be activated here. So buyers are trying to the price will move to upside, but seller will be here. So price will be fall from the same level. One, two, three times will be sell from the same level. So that's the market structure shift first. Then I should be go. I'm no trader here. Definitely I don't trade. That is my no trading zone. No trading zone. No trading means no trading. I'm not trading here. Why? Okay. That not go. That is my no trading zone. Okay, that is now the market structure shift. It's good indication for this. But 15 minute good channel, you can see this. That's the print bullish, so it's also the bullish for that. Wait for this. That's the closing was come at this time. You can see this. Why I'm not tell you. Don't trade. I'm not trading. I'm hold the trade. That is my no trading zone. Up to this. The dual confirmation I want. First market structure shift. Market will trap with only trapping on these areas, high time frames. The market was on the concentrations. So that's why I'm told you that I'm buying on these areas and that is my selling areas. The two bias was here. What is your bias, guys? What is your bias? I am old that rate, not the fucking tricky. What am I told you understand that? I don't know understand or not. But I'm trying to understand the heavy things and the very advanced level things to trying to set about told about this area because no one can told about the freely. Everyone charges these things. I will told this. That's the everything was I am told you. मैंने जो भी मैंने बोला ना अभी इधर वो पूरा यूट्यूब कम्युनिटी में जो भी तुमको बोलेगा उसके लिए चार्जेस करेगा क्योंकि उसके पास वो कोर्स सेल करता है उसके कोर्स में ये सब बोलते हैं वो लोग ओके बट द प्राइस एक्शन ऑल्सो टोल्ड अबाउट दिस no one can told you in the YouTube community industry. That is the paid persons. That is the no anyone can told you. Not the smaller YouTuber, not the non-knowledgeable YouTuber, not the non-knowledgeable trader will told you. That's the experienced trader only for told you guys. That's the things I am telling you. I have no any interest for your, I'm not selling any quotes. I'm told you for your information and my information. I am start YouTube in the 2025 for my personal growth, and I'll see my the trades for I that is my the backups. That's a journal types channel I will initiate it, but I am thinking about the 2026 I will flip into the this channel. This is not the trading channel. This is the financial information channel, and that's the education purposes I will told you. I'm not to anyone told you you trade on this level. Okay. You can see this market is now range. Okay. You can see this the market is now range. So uh, wait for that. The market will break out first, and which direction market will we go? And my bias is now the neutral because this time this box was price was there. I am no trade because that is my no trading zone, and price will break out and price will create a good directional candle for this any kind of side that's the upside downside. So I definitely go for the setup. So that is the two position. That's the demand area, supply area, a demand area. So demand will become from there. That is not respected by the market, and that is the support area for the market right now. That will be break from there. So that is now the supply area. You can see this. That's the selling will become here. So let's see what's happened. Let's see it's closing about this area. So I'm going with the short entries because the 5 minutes the candle is open. Just wait. It's I think the manipulation. I'm thinking for that it's manipulation. And it's the clear range. It will be closing above this, so it's a pure liquidity zone. That's the pure liquidity zone. Okay? That's the market liquidity. It is market liquidity. Understand that? So your target will be you will entry on this area. So your target for the easily 200 pips you will give the price after this consolidation break. Wait for this. Presence is the god. This trade will be giving 70 pips. I'm going with this small risks on this area. It will also giving my profitable level. That is my profitable level, guys. That is not, I'm not doing any mistakes. I'm good on these trades. That is the wrong trade. That is 25 pips gone, but that is also good trade I will give you. You can see this market will closing about this area. So let's see. Market will what's happen. Market will what's happen. Okay. So one retested level will I want. Definitely I will go with these areas and only 25 pips just because that's the pages. Come on, guys. Come on. That's spikes. That's spikes. Come on, 1 minute. I want the buying entries. Sorry, selling entries. First, I get for the 100 pips. Okay. One reversal entries for my candle. Come on. Just giving the selling entries. Just giving the selling entries. Gold. You giving me the selling entries on this. Don't go. Come on this. I'll remove this. Okay. This. I remove this box. The market will trap. It will be continuation into the accounts. Well, come on. I'm going with the selling. Because market structure now the total is set. Come on, gold. Come to with my level. With this. Hold. Hmm, Not coming. Let's see what's happening. Patience is patience. Not trade I'm wrong. Waited. I will give this trade. Either I don't trade. I'll close it. That's my trade. Price don't. Price just calm on this. Oh, oh. 15 minute is boring. 5 minute. Oh, high. 15 page down on this 5 hour. They have no entry. I have no going with the direct entries. How I am giving this trade? That's the gap. It will be the fucking as all. That's the candles will print the 140 pips. The 5 minute candles. Uh, The full target here. You can see this. There's a price giving 100 pips target with the direct entries. How can I go with this? Dude, full 100 pips give. Hmm, That's That's a fine one. Hmm. See this. See this? The 40 pips, 50 pips candle. Yes, it definitely will come up. I'm waiting for you. Come, you come, retest it, going down. That's your liquidity, you grab your liquidity. Okay, your buying area is that. That's where trap you go. Good, 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 good. Come on, good. I'm waiting for you. Wow, what's the buying candle? That's my selling entry. I'm again told you it's my buying entries. I thought I don't trade anywhere. No, no, I want for that. Trade. Who was told you trading is easy? Told about this patience. It's not straight, everyone, not hold the whole thing straight like this. A very big patience will be that's why you hold this like this. Wait for this. One more. Price was going under to on my level. My plan. Load increase only. But this reverse I want. Come on. The price was for more than NYC Session. How many calling? Three calling will be another session. I will see this the same 2 months. If 500 keep selling in the NYC session. You can see this. How the market will react. What the candle? 58 pips. Okay. It's easy market. That's not easy market. Just see this. I have found put it freeze. Mhm. Everything is a simple process. Hello, 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 hello. Understand? It will be go for the direct. You can see this, but the price will be with you. Okay. You like this. How the price will fuck you, you can say this. Okay. How the price will be fuck you. You forget your name. With this the attitude say like this. How the market will fuck you. You can see this. I'm not. Price simply close above this area. So I'll be definitely lower. How many leaks on this? That is my last entries. That time with it's fuck this. Fuck you. Market will trap again. Market will be stop fund again on these areas. That's the candle. pin bar candle will create it. That's the reversal will come from here. 50s. Okay. Look at how many risks. 44 pips. 40 pips risks will be here. How do you go? 1 is to 3, okay? That's it. Last entries I will find. It will be cooking me. Either it will be killing 100 pips. Okay, bro. Okay, okay. It is now a very complicated level. The pin bar candle. That is a good entry candle. Okay? So your risks on this high is 35 pips. Okay, 30 pips. We will go with that. You can go the this gap your target 3 to 5. That I am have other I will be goes on. Okay, that's my target. That I am going with this target. Okay, 45 pips. Let's see. I will give you return back. This candle high is my stop loss. Okay, and my 250 pips target. 1 to 5 trade. Let's see. I will be entry on this trade. Okay, let's see. The 15-minute candle closing. Um, I think it's fucking like I have entry on this trade. That's a 45 pips trade risks. 45 pips. That is my high. That's a fucking hole. I told you that's the only stop on price. Okay, guys, I'm done for the day. I'm done for the day. Big losses on this day. Two losses. That's a 45 pips, and that's 75 pips, and that's my loss from the 25 pips. So 20 pips loss I will get. So I will done for the day. Tomorrow, today, yesterday I definitely come and told about you how the trade will go. That's a trade by mistakes. 130. That's a third. Okay, okay, I accept it. Market always trap in choppy market. It is not choppy market. Okay, it's the trap stop market only. That's the 45 pips. I'm losing on 45 pips and 75 pips. That's 50 pips, 45 pips, and then 25 pips. 75, 45, 125. Then return back tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching for the stream. That's a realistic chart. The real trading chart look like this. That's not every trade look like this. Okay? That's not every trade look like this. That is also here. Shopee market, that is the only harm you understand is that yeah. Market trend is base. I'll end free. Market will trap. Market will. That's the gap. Shopee market. That's the liquidity. Thank you guys for watching for this trade. Market will only trap. Only market by the stock markets. NYC Session. They're very volatile right now. Okay, I'm done for the day, guys. So I will return this. Okay, minus 50 pips, minus 25 pips, minus 45 pips. That's not possible. Everything, every day I will give you trade 100 pips, 120 pips, 200 pips. That's not possible. That is also here. That's over 20 pips down. It will be normal in trading. Either I will, you can, first adding one thing, one 50 pips. That is my plus trade. Okay, that's my plus trade. So you will calculate this. How many pips I will lose? That is my 150 pips trade, guys. That is a lot. You can see this. So how many losses? But I am not calculate this. Okay, because I my loss is my thing. 150 pips minus 120 pips down. So 30 pips I'm now profits. Okay. But 120 pips are down, I will giving you uh, tomorrow. I will giving you this trade. 120 pips. Definitely I give you. I have definitely come on learning session. Okay. I'm very losing. I'm very glad for your losses. I have also losses, guys. I'm not in profits. Thank you for watching this stream. Good night, everyone. See you tomorrow.